Hello, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I thought it was about time to do another Star Whispers card reading. And I don't know yet what the subject will be about. It's an intuitive reading. We're going to see how it develops. My name is Regine Arana. I'm a channel medium, card reader, and yeah, today I did a card reading exchange with another woman who also did the certified angel tarot reader course. And I remembered how much I love doing card readings, and I thought it would be time to create a new video. I'm gonna start with the Starseed Oracle by Rebecca Campbell. I'll pick the card. 3 cards. I haven't yet shuffled them. I haven't yet picked the cards. We're gonna do it on the go. And I see this card. Not so clearly visible. A new earth. It's happening. Keep holding the vision. Yes, we're in the process of creating a new earth. That's what it's all about in the moment. And naturally, this comes with a lot of challenges because the old earth kind of has to crumble down, at least energetically. And we have to let go of a lot of things. Second card, all paths lead home. Inner authority, intuition, turn the gaze within. When the paradigm shifts, when there's a lot of confusion in the world, then you need to connect with your own intuition. You need to look within, turn the gaze within. It's interesting because I think this came up in all the card readings I did lately. As I said, 2025 adds up to a 9, and this is in Tarot the Hermit. So it's really important this year that you take time on your own, go within, and listen to your intuition. The third card is Lost Lands, soul memories and gifts. You've done this before. All of us, we are really a bit hard to see with the light. All of us who came here as light workers to support the process, to assist humanity in the process of ascension, of ascension, bringing in the greater part of our souls. All of us, we have soul memories and gifts. The lost lands they are talking about are especially Atlantis and Lemuria. You've done this before. We have been there. In Atlantis, we failed. In Lemuria, or we perceived it as a failure, but it was not a failure. It was meant to be. It was meant to be that mankind goes through those dark ages to have these experiences, these playgrounds for the souls to learn. A new earth. We are in the process to create a new earth. This is not very easy. This is not just a walk in the park. There will be some challenges. All paths lead home. It's about going within, listening to our intuition, and remembering that we have done this before. Remembering the lost lands, remembering our gifts, our soul memories, our soul gifts, and remembering that we are connected with spirit world and that spirit is with us and co-creates this with us. I'm now moving to the tarot cards, and I'm going to use the Star Tarot. I just received this deck and I love it. I was waiting for it for a long time. I love the images. And I'm going to see what comes out. This one, and this one, and this one. So, with the new Earth, we have Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is, in traditional tarot, the card of giving and receiving, the card of an equal and balanced exchange. Here we have the buffalo, the symbol for abundance, and we have this disc with the four elements. So also balancing out the four elements within us, balancing out our giving and receiving, and also balancing out our mind, holding the vision, not forgetting about it, not going into fear completely when things around us get challenging, when the storm is coming, but staying in the center, in the eye of the hurricane, staying in our own center, being calm. And trusting, if you have financial challenges, trusting that the buffalo will come. This is a special message also for me, because in the moment I'm really challenged financially. The second tarot card is the Seven of Pentacles. With all paths lead home and to intuition. Here is the Seven of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles is working in the garden, like planting seeds. You already have created a lot of abundance. It's another pentacle card. And from 6 to 7, we are going upwards. We're rising. Our abundance is rising. And there are lots of butterflies. We are in the process of transformation. We are in the process also of transforming our mental energy, of remembering that we are the creators and our soul, we are part of the divine. And the divine is not limited. The divine is unlimited. The divine has unlimited potential. So why should we not be able to create unlimited abundance? It's just our own limitations. She already has created a lot of abundance, and there are the horses in the sky in different colors. There's really great abundance around her, and the horses, they are like her thoughts have transformed. She has gone from fear to trust to faith, even if it still takes some time for the things that she has grown, for the vegetable, until they can be harvested. She is confident. She knows that abundance is her birthright, and she's gonna get there. With the lost lands, soul memories and gifts, you've done this before, comes the King of Pentacles. Another pentacle card, and the highest pentacle card. This king has achieved real wealth and abundance. He has the Midas touch. What he touches turns into gold, into really auspicious things. And we have like the tree of the world. Here's the world in the root. Here's the planet Earth in the roots of the tree. So this reminds me of those times of the lost lands, of especially Lemuria, where we were so connected, so rooted in the earth, that we took really good care of Mother Earth. And this is also something that where we have to return to remember that we are not separate from Mother Earth, that Mother Earth needs us to take care of her, to really love and cherish her, and to being connected with her. We are not separate from Mother Earth. We are not separate from any being on Earth. The bear, the unicorn, I don't know if this is a snake down there, you can't see it. We are not separate from the creatures here on Earth. We are one, all of us. We are not separate from the plants. We are not separate from the animals. We are one. And we are not separate from one another. What we do to another person, we feel it ourselves. It comes back to us. Yeah. I really like this card, and I like the pentacles that came out. The third deck I'm gonna use is the Oracle of the Hidden Worlds. Really beautiful cards. The text is by Lucy Cavendish. The first card that came out with the New Earth and the Six of Pentacles is The Secret. the unknown, mysteries, wonders. This refers a lot to the all paths lead home, to the card of going within, listening to your intuition, finding the mysteries, the unknown within you, and with the connection with Mother Earth, finding it in nature, in all beings, and remembering that we are all connected again. And here, all those lights, like fairy lights. I think this is where we are going again, where we are heading again, that our vision will develop. We will all have much more of our psychic gifts if we choose to have this. That we will all of us who want to, we will be much more able to see spirit. The second card, with the path that leads home, is again, it's the hidden world. It's another card, changing consciousness, awareness, extrasensory perceptions. So this goes really, really well with this card. It's also about our psychic gifts will develop more and more. We will have more and more extrasensory perception, and we will be more and more able to see the hidden world that used to be hidden from our eyes. And with the third card with the lost lands, there were two cards coming out. This came as a surprise to me now. The first one is card 22, the insight. And the second card is card 14, the crystal path. Insight. Look at this Merlin-like figure with the feather for writing a book. The crystal ball for the scrying. I was looking for the English word. Magical tools, writing, star crafting. With this, in this process of change, from going from one identity to the new identity, writing, journaling would be a really, really good tool. You don't have to necessarily write a book unless you want to, but journaling is very helpful for your path. And the crystal path, mineral spirits, crystal beings. I was talking about us being connected with the plants, with each other, with the plants and with the animals. What I had forgotten again is the stones, the gems, the minerals, the crystals. Yes, we are all connected. And it's not that those minerals, here's my crystal skull, azul, which means blue in Spanish. It's not that they are not living. It's not that this is just matter. There's an energy around it. And maybe you want to experience to listen to messages you get from stones, from crystals. Even your house, the spirit of your home might have messages for you. This is a very, very interesting path we are going through. And this path of opening us up to all realms will lead us to the new earth, to our new way of being, to regain lost lands in a very different way, in a successful way, to be the high vibrational beings of Lemuria and Atlantis by going within, by developing our psychic abilities, our ability to connect with all the realms, by being conscious that we are all connected. Yeah. And there's a card that is looking at me from this deck. This is from Colette Baron Reed's Guides of the Hidden Realms. The emergence of true knowing. That's what I was talking about in this moment. The true knowing that we are all connected, that there is more than our physical eyes can see. This true knowing will emerge. The keywords here are intuition, rigorous honesty, inventory. Open yourself up to your inner vision, to your intuition. This is the path to the new earth. So, thank you so much for listening. I loved doing the reading again. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I post new content. I love to read your comments if you want to write something. And if you feel inspired to get a reading, a private reading, I still have a special offer until the 15th of February. Yeah, maybe even until the end of February. Let's see how it develops. Send me an email. All the details about the sessions will be below in the description box. I would absolutely love to connect with you. Wishing you a great day, evening, morning, whenever you listen to this video. It was so lovely to connect with you. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.